Hi there, welcome to Little Lifetime Crochet. My name's Jackie and we are making a traditional granny square today. These are really fun to make. You can make all different projects with these. This is ideal for a beginner. If you know how to make a treble and a chain, you can make a granny square. Really simple to make. We're using Aran yarn, which is slightly thicker, and it's a bit easier to use if you're a beginner as well. Right, so let's get started. For this tutorial I will be using Starcraft Special Aran, a 5mm hook, a pair of scissors and a darning needle. So choose your yarn. I'm using the green yarn first. And make a slip knot. We're going to make 3 chain. So 1, 2, 3, and we're going to make this into a ring. So you need to insert your hook into that first chain. There will be 2 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through both loops. That makes a ring, and we're going to be working into that ring. Next thing we need to do is do 3 chain. So 1, 2, 3. That acts as our first treble, and we're going to make 2 trebles and do them into the ring. So yarn over, insert into the ring, your hook into the ring, pull the yarn through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And again, yarn over, insert your hook into the ring, grab the yarn, pull it through, yarn over again, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. We're going to make our corner, which is 1 chain. Then we're going to go back in and do another 3 treble. So that's 1, 2, 3. Do a chain for the corner. We're going to go back into the ring again and do another 3 treble. So 1, 2, 3, another chain for the corner, and now we're going to do our final 3 treble into the ring. So 1, 2, 3. Another chain, and we're going to join the square together by just inserting the hook into the top of that 3 chain, yarn over, pull through, and we're just going to cut off the yarn, yarn over and pull through. There we go. So I've sewn in my ends. It's easy if you do it as you go. So that's our first round done, and we're now going to do the second round. So grab your yarn. I'm using the pink yarn, and we're going to join the yarn in any of these 4 corners, these 1 chain space corners. Put your hook through the chain space, yarn over, loop it around your hook, bring it through, and then with the longer tail, yarn over, pull it through, and another 2 chain. And we're going to try and work over that tail if we can. So it's doing some sewing. Right, so this round 2, we're going to do 2 treble into that same chain space. So 1, 2, do 1 chain, and then we're going to go in again and do another 3 treble into that same chain space. So yarn over, 1, 2, 3. So that's our first corner done on our round 2. Chain 1, and we go back into the second corner. This time we're going to do 3 treble, 1 chain, 3 treble. So yarn over, 1, 2, 3, chain 1 to make the corner, and again go back into that same corner, 1, 2, 3. That's the second corner done. 1 chain, third corner, yarn over, so 3 treble, 1, 2, 3, 1 chain, 3 more treble, 1, 2, 3, 1 chain, and the last corner, 1, 2, 3 treble, 1 chain, then another 3 treble, 1, 2, 3. Do your 1 chain. You're just going to join the square, so put your hook into the top of the chain 3, pull it through, yarn over and pull through the yarn. There we go. So that's your round 2. That's round 2 done. We're now on to round 3 of the granny square. And we're using our green yarn again, but you can use whatever colour you like. So insert your hook into any corner like we did on the previous round. Secure and 2 chain. And as before, we're going to do 2 treble, 1, 2, 1 chain to make the corner, and then go back into that corner and make another 3 treble. So 1, 2, 3. There we go. So we go straight into that gap, that 1 chain gap, and we do 3 treble. 1, 2, 3. We go straight into the next chain corner space with 3 treble. 2, 3, 1 chain, and another 3 treble. 1, 2, 3. There we go. So that's one side of the granny square done. So that's 3 treble into the next chain space. 1, 2, 3, and then 3 treble, 1 chain, 3 treble. So 1, 2, 3, 1 chain, and 1, 2, 3. So you're going to repeat that again. So 3 treble into the next chain space. The corner space, you do 3 treble, 1 chain, 3 treble, and then the last chain space, 3 treble. and I'll meet you back at the end. So we've got back to the end, and all we need to do now is just a slip stitch into the top of that those 3 chain, pull it through, cut off your yarn over and pull that through, and you've made a granny square. Oh, I love making these granny squares. They're just so much fun, and you can just do so many things with them. Blankets, bags, anything really. Even a cardigan. Thanks for watching this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.